Hey guys, it's Melanie with Vintage Makeovers from Melanie, and today we're going to be using some DIY clay-based chalk paint to dye some fabric. Hang out with me, it's going to be cool. Have you ever found anything at the flea market or garage sale and you love the fabric, you love the style, you just don't like the color? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can change that up using DIY all-natural clay-based chalk paint. So this is a nice, soft, like a velour kind of material, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to take a cup, we're going to mix in, we're going to use Hey Sailor. This is nice blue. And this is the little one. It's about halfway full. I think we're gonna be okay. So let's go ahead, mix some in here. Water, just regular tap water. And let's see how that, stir it up real good. All right, so here we go. You want to get yourself a nice squirt bottle with water in it. You want to wet your fabric down pretty thoroughly. Use your hand to rub it in. Make sure all that fabric is wet. Now we're going to go ahead and start applying our paint. So you want to get it all on there, thoroughly cover just the section you're working on. I rub it into the fabric using my hands and this handy dandy little sanding sponge. It's much easier to work in small sections because you want to keep your fabric wet. You definitely don't want it to dry out on you when you apply your paint. This little bench is tufted, so I want to make sure that I'm really getting into all those little grooves. You just want to keep repeating that process one section at a time until it's complete. If you need to apply another coat, go ahead and do it. All right, so this is dried really well, and what you want to do is take your sponge again, use your hand, and go back. Any spaces that you feel rough or crunchy at all, just going to give them a little bit of a sanding, and it makes it nice and soft again. Just going to go all the way around doing that. So we could stop here. This will cure all by itself within a couple months. The paint won't come off, be good. But we're gonna go ahead and seal it. We're gonna use liquid patina by DIY. And just guesstimate, we're gonna do about that much water. Get the rest of this. I thinned my liquid patina about half and half, 50% liquid patina, 50% water. I'm going to go ahead and apply it in the same fashion that I did the paint. Liquid patina can be used as a top coat, a decoupage medium, a glaze, and you can do this with it. You can find all these products on my website at windmillvintagedesigns.com. Keep going over it with the sanding sponge in your hand, really working the product into the fabric. As this is drying, you want to just feel it with your hands. If you feel anything that's getting crunchy, take your little sanding block and just give it a little rub. Now we're going to use a product called Golden Ticket. This is a luscious gold, and we're going to go ahead and paint the rest. Let's see. I had this upholstery tack kit left over from a previous project, so I decided to go ahead and get it on there. So that's it, but first, let's put it to the test. So we painted our fabric with DIY paint, we sealed it with liquid patina, we did a lot of scrubbing, worked it in. You can see the movement in the fabric, everything is good. Feels pretty much the same as it did before, and it's not bleeding. I have here a white towel. Go ahead and wipe it. It's not blue. Thank you guys for watching. This is Melanie from Vintage Makeovers Melanie. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.